Alright, we're going to try the last one I have. And I ate the other one, the shrimp and grits. So I have to get another one of those if I want to try it. This is the chicken and dumplings. White meat chicken, dumplings, vegetables, and creamy stew sauce. What? Hold on. Alright, this is what it looks like. I'm about to throw it in the oven because I'm not going to waste my time putting it in the microwave. The oven worked for the beef pot roast, and it made the vegetables tender, so that's what I'm going to do. So that's going to be 40 to 45 minutes. So I'll show y'all what it looks like when it comes back. Oh, I said when it comes back. You're distracting me, sir. When I come back, I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, till next time. Bye. Alright, y'all. What do you mean you washed it out real good? Hold on. Alright, y'all. This is the chicken. That's what it looks like. That is the dumpling. It's very chewy. Chicken tastes good. The dumplings are a bit off. All in all, it's alright. But not the best. Alright, till next time. Bye. Alright, y'all. I wanted to say that I added salt and pepper to this. So I'm gonna try it with salt and pepper because the last one I didn't do salt and pepper either. So baking it in the oven is the only way to cook these because they have these thick carrots that don't get cooked otherwise. Why do the carrots not taste like a carrot? Just me personally, I would just make the homemade with biscuits and chicken because the taste of it's not good, not there. All right, till next time, I will give this a out of 5. It's not that good. All right, till next time, bye.